Okay, my chair experienced catastrophic wood failure, and now this whole thing flexes because these two screws no longer carry this. So how do I fix that? My thoughts were to build a bracket. So this would line up here, these two holes here, and then screw some wood here. So what I did was I punched out a piece of sheet metal. So this is 080, and punched out, bent, and then formed a bracket. This was the first one, and it's symmetrical. So this one will go here, and this one will go here, just like this. And then screw, 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 screw. I'll put some wood glue in here and in here so it doesn't slide. But you know, just a little bit off in my measurement, but good enough for paper catting. But it'll hold for a while, I hope.